Hello, thank you so much for joining me. It's Jen. Today we're talking about different ways to feel your spine and sense where it is in space. This translates into lots of things. It's really helpful for things like figuring out where your spine is when you're lifting weights, or figuring out what your natural patterns are while you're doing whatever your movement hobby is, whether it's running or yoga, or if you're like me, maybe you do some stuff in the air. I do pull and I do aerial. Regardless, you're going to come into your hands and your knees to start. So this is step one. You're going to take your right knee and your left hand forward. From here, you're going to notice that the spine is already a little uneven. That's normal because you have the staggered hand and the staggered foot. Press the hand that's back, which in this case is the right hand, into the floor quite a lot. That's going to shift your torso a little bit. Flex the toes, lift the knees, take the knees down, arch your back, round your back. Press into that right hand again. So again, you're kind of using that to pop you back over. Float the knees, take the knees down, arch, round. One more time. Arch, round. Go ahead and switch. You're going to take your right hand and your left knee forward. You're going to pull the toes towards your knees. You're going to press through the left hand. Float the knees. This time, you're actually going to sit your hips back, so it's a little different situation. Come back to center, press through that left hand, lift. So I'm essentially using my left hand to reset each time and bring some awareness in terms of how all of this works. From here, lie down on your back. You're going to pick your feet, I should say, up. You're going to take your right hand and your right knee, and you're going to open them as far as you can to the right. When they don't go anymore, you're going to move your left hand and your left knee at the same time to come over. Then the left hand and the left knee is going to open. It's going to keep opening all the way till you tip over to the left. Just go back and forth here. Take one more each way and just feel yourself rolling right across your back. Come on up into a seated position. You're going to go ahead and come onto your left side. And you're going to have the left knee bent and the right foot right in front of the left shin. All you're going to do, drop your ribs down on that left side towards the floor. Now press through your left hand, bring the ribs up, and maybe imagine that the ribs are moving back. You can even take your right hand on your ribs here, let them drop into your hand, and then as you come up, let them move up and back. Do that just a couple of times. Switch sides. So again, I'm taking my left hand, I'm taking them to my right ribs, I'm dropping my right ribs down. As I come up, I'm moving my ribs up and back. And if you're like me, one side will feel different than the other. Very normal. One more. Those are just some ideas, again, to help you sense and feel where your spine is. If you were to take this as a warm-up and then you were going to go do whatever your movement activity is and focus on how your spine is moving, it would be more clear in your brain because your brain is cool like that. There's more ideas like this in my upcoming book, Spinal Intelligence. And as always, if you found that useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.